Did you know that the criminal cop Jonel Montales Nuesca's family are violent criminals, violent as ever? And yes, we mean all of them. After the former Master Sergeant died on November 30, 2021 at New Bilibid Prison in Muntinlupa City, Metro Manila, with his demise confirmed the next day, much to the joy and laughter of the people, Jonel Nuesca underwent autopsy to which the cause was later determined and revealed to be myocardial infarction, the medical term for heart attack. Following the autopsy, Jonel's remains were dressed in his police uniform and brought back to Barangay Nancalobasaan in Urdaneta City, Pangasinan, where his family mourned his death while other people celebrated. And then came December 5, 2021, the day of the burial. Media personnel gathered outside the Nuesca residence to film the scene. The criminal cop's coffin was never adorned with any tarpaulin. One journalist, GMA News' Russell Simorio, came forward only to be threatened with violence by one of Jonel Nuesca's brothers if he did not stop recording or covering the funeral. Take a look at this video showing snippets of that threat from Jonel Nuesca's brother on Simorio's live stream.
Ano pumunta rito?
Hello po. Kayo po yung kapatid, sir?
Ayoko sana nang ayoko nang may nakikita akong ganito eh. May karapatan naman siguro kan bilang paggala respeto na lang sa kapatid ko.
Sige po, sige po.
Maaari po, wala po. Ayoko po na may makikita.
Ayaw niyo din magbigay ng anumang
Wala po. Nanahimik po kami ng matagal tapos may bibidyohan nyo kami na ganyan. Ayaw po namin. Kasi kapag nabidyohan po yan, nalaman po yan, mabubuhay na naman po yung ito. Ayaw na po namin, sir. Marami na po.
Apektado na rin kayo, sir? Pati kayo, sir, apektado?
Lahat kami, sir. Hindi mo naman mapiplease everyone na yung gusto namin i-explain man sa amin, hindi na kasi lalo lang lalala. Kaya nga, nanahimik kami, ayoko rin po na bibidyohan. Ayaw po ng pamilya namin.
Paano din yung naging security niyo, sir, nung pumutok yung issue?
Ay, hindi ko na po sasagutin yun, sir. Okay na po. Basta gusto ko lang iparating. Ayaw po namin ng kahit anong problema.
Sige. Sige. Ayun. Yun yung kapatid niya. Sinabihan na daw niya ako. Makulit ako eh.
You can hear the tone which indicates that he plans to unalive Simorio or any journalist.
Nagagalit yung kapatid ni Jonel Nuesca. Nakakatakot yung yung boses. Nakakatakot yung kung paano siya magsalita yung kapatid. Natatakot ako. Natakot ako bigla.
And who is this brother? He could be either Ruel or Razel Nuesca. And make no mistake, both these men are likely also serial killers and mass murderers, and that is why we encourage the public to keep a high alert as these two brothers may strike anytime, and such high alert will also ensure their demise by any means necessary. But nevertheless, another news crew managed to reveal the location of Jonel's burial place, Urdaneta City Memorial Park, and with YouTuber Master Gala revealing the spot of the criminal cop's grave, the public can now go to the cemetery and desecrate Jonel's final resting place. And we support and endorse this desecration of such an evil man's grave. Now go, visit that cemetery and desecrate it the way you want it. God be with you.